Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And guys, I am back with an incredible laundry deal for you guys. You guys know I love my laundry products. But as promised you guys in my videos earlier at the beginning of the year, I said that I would be doing videos and all of the videos will not be money makers. They're not all going to be free stuff, but I'm just going to show you how to save on everyday products and services. Whether it's 50 cents, a dollar, $2, whatever, a savings is a savings. And I thought this video would be very appropriate, especially since it is so hard for everyone to come upon Tide and Gain coupons since P&G doesn't print them anymore. And since you can only clip one from the P&G website. And don't forget that when you do clip it, you have to use it within 24 hours of printing it. So I thought this would be a great video to help you guys save on your laundry detergent. Even if you don't have the coupons to print or the digital coupons that I'm going to show you, it's still a very good deal to do. Okay. So let's go ahead. Let's jump right into it. But before we do so, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. If you haven't done so, hit the bell right next to the subscription button. And that way you'll also get notified every time I put up a new video, and you don't have to go searching and looking me up. It'll come right to your phone as a notification. So guys, I went to the store of Giant Food, Giant Eagles, Shop and Stop, whatever it's called in your local area. Look up a Giant Eagle affiliate because 9 times out of 10, they all have the same sale. Now, this deal, you have to go do it today. I would have gotten out to do it earlier, but my knees were killing me. The weather here in Pennsylvania is just absolutely crazy, and it is sending my fibromyalgia into a tizzy. So I wasn't able to get out until today to do the deal, but I tried to get the video out to you as soon as possible so that you can go do the deal. So what the deal is when you buy 3 of the certain products, you get $20 off. So to me, that's an excellent deal right there because each one of these laundry products are under $20. So that's like buying 2 and getting 1 for free. So that's the first deal. This is like a double, triple dip deal, whatever you want to call it. But it's an excellent deal. So let's first start with the Tide laundry detergent. So it's not all laundry detergent. It's not all sizes, but it's mainly the larger sizes. So just make sure that when you go in the store, make sure that it's tagged, or go on to the Giant app and make sure that you have the right one because all of them are not included. Okay. All right. So this Tide liquid was included. I normally don't get the hygienic clean. I usually just get regular Tide or Tide with Downy or something like that. But I get Tide with Downy a lot. But they were sold out of the Tide with Downy. So I had to get this one. If I would have gotten the next size up, which was also included in this sale, it would have been like $27.99. And you guys know I didn't want to go that route. I wanted to go the route where I had the least out of pocket. So I grabbed this Tide right here. And this Tide is regularly $18.99. But it is on sale this week for $15.99. So I grabbed that one. Then I used the $3 digital coupon out of the Giant app. So then that brought that down to $12.99. Now, if you don't have the digital coupon, or say you used the digital coupon already, you can go on to pngoodeveryday.com and print off the $3 coupon. But please keep in mind that you have to use it right away, which you should use it right away because this deal ends today, which is the 19th. The next thing that I grabbed was the Gain Liquid, the original scent. Now, I grabbed the original scent, but you could get the one with lavender. You can get any of them that are included. I just prefer the original scent. And that was regularly $16.49, but it was on sale for $15.99. So that was 50 cents off of that one. And I used the $3 digital coupon on the Giant app. But again, if you don't have the coupon on your app because you used it already, you can print the $3 coupon off of P&G Good Every Day. The next thing that I grabbed were the Gain Flings, and that is the 60 count. And they were regularly $16.69, but they were on sale for $15.99. Okay, and I used the $3 digital coupon out of the app. But again, if you don't have the $3 digital coupon in the app, you can print the $3 coupon off of the P&G Good website. Or guys, what you can do, if you want to do the deal twice, then you can use the coupons from the app and then turn around and print the coupons from the P&G Good website. That way you could do the deal twice. But please keep in mind, if you're going to do the deal twice, you cannot do the deal 2 times in one transaction. You have to separate your transactions. If you do the deal twice in one transaction, it will only deduct $20 one time. So if you're going to do it twice, do it one time with the digitals and then do a totally separate transaction with the paper coupon. That's the only way you'll be able to take advantage of that $20 off 2 times. So with the sale of the products all being on sale for $15.99, and then the $3 digital coupon off of each one, that brings each one of these down to just $12.99. To me, that's still a good deal, okay? Like I said, we're going to learn to just save on everyday products, whether it's $1, $2, or whatever. You're going to buy this anyway, right? So it doesn't matter if you're just saving $1 or $2, but we're going to save $20. That's why we're buying 3 of these. Now, at the end, my total, when you deduct the $20, comes to $18.97. Whoa! That's like $6.33 for each one of these. So let me show you guys my receipt. Okay, there's the Tide Liquid, regularly $18.99. Then it was on sale, $3 off of that, and then the $3 coupon, which brought it down to $12.99. There's the Gain Liquid, which was regularly $16.49. It was 50 cents off with the sale, and then the $3 digital coupon. The Gain Flings were $16.69, 70 cents off, which was the regular sale, and $3 for the digital coupon, which brought them down to $12.99. There's my $20 discount. We're not going to talk about tax. So my total was $20.11, but when you subtract the $1.14 in tax, that brings it down to just $18.97. Guys, I'd say that's a pretty good deal on some Tide and Gain, especially these large sizes. I'm also going to submit my receipt to P&G Good Every Day, and I'm going to get 50 cents back for each one of these items. And then I use, well, not 50 cents, excuse me, 50 points. And then I use those points to buy gift cards, Target, Starbucks, all kind of things. So guys, that is my deal for the day. I hope you're able to run out and get those. Again, you can either use the digital coupons on the Giant app, or you can print the coupons out from P&G Every Day, or do the deal twice and do them both. But please remember, please, 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 if you do it twice, you must do separate transactions. Guys, thank you very much for tuning in. Come back. Let me know how you made out. Let me know which products you end up getting. And until the next time, keep on saving.